Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, my name's Tiffany. Today I'm going to be unboxing my new Gucci sandals, so if you are interested then keep on watching, and don't forget to subscribe if you're new here and check out my Instagram, and we'll get right into this. So as usual, I'm going to flip the camera around because I prefer like bird's eye view immersive unboxings, so let's dive right in. Apologies if you can hear like rummaging in the background. My kitten has the zoomies right now and is running around like a crazy person. But this is how it comes in the box. This card scratched up was here so it didn't move. This should be the thank you note. Yes, the thank you note. And then in this envelope would be the receipt, which I won't open to preserve my details. And let's get into the shoes. I really love their new green packaging. I wasn't really a fan of the black and white, but this I find like quite elegant and regal. Here we go. Not sure I've got two of those. I love the fact that I have an individual dust bag per shoe. And this is sustainable, this new packaging of theirs as well. Here is the shoe. It's quite nice and heavy. And it smells very rubbery. Does it say the size on them? No, it doesn't. Made in Italy. Gucci, made in Italy. And then some stuffing there to keep the shape. Ooh. Okay, that's just some excess rubber. They are quite heavy. Let's get the second one out. And here they are. I absolutely love the colour of these. Oh, here comes my kitten, because nobody can investigate anything without him there. Absolutely love the colour. I'm very tempted. I would most likely get more colours because I feel like this is going to be like my shoe this summer. So it does also come with this really cute tote bag in the packaging. This is the larger size one. They have a mini size one as well, which I've had when I got my belt earlier in the year. But I really just love this packaging, especially if you're giving this as a gift as well. This would be a really nice touch. But yes, these are the women's rubber slide sandal in the pink colour that I got. I decided to go for pink. I thought it was a really just cute statement colour, and a colour that, fine, I can't wear with every outfit like I would have black or white, but I just think this would be a really cute statement piece. And if the shoes are comfortable, I probably would invest in other colours, because I just think this would be a really cute shoe for summer and a good staple shoe that you can wear with a variety of outfits. So these cost £265. So before I buy more colours, I am gonna like do the wear and tear of this first one to see if they actually are comfortable, because I feel like with rubber it can be one of two ways, either really comfortable and like gels to your feet, or really like stiff and hard and there's like no in between. So I will be reviewing these shoes because I've seen a lot of like unboxings on YouTube but not a lot of reviews, and well, I wanted to do it like this next week, but England, typical England, it's going to be raining for the next few days, so when it gets a bit warmer I'm going to be wearing them around for a couple of days, given the wear and tear, if you get blisters or anything, and just how they are like in sweat as well, because I feel like rubber and sweat doesn't feel like the best combination, but they are summer shoes, so we'll have to see, and have to see like how they are like long term wearing them as well, comfort wise. And also I do have wide feet. I will put in some shots of me wearing the shoes and things so you can see how they look, but yeah, I feel like I find them comfortable, but obviously I haven't worn them for a long period of time yet, so I will be doing a proper in-depth review of how they feel, if they're worth the investment, because at the end of the day, £265 for a rubber is a more than expensive side, but if they are comfortable and I love how they look, it may actually be worth it. So we will have to see. But yes, please subscribe to my channel if you do want to see the review, which will hopefully be coming at some point in the next couple of weeks. And I will be doing a summer shoes haul as well of all the shoes that I've got this summer and trainers. I'm trying to like expand my trainers section of my wardrobe a bit more, and just not always just wearing Vans for casual shoes. So yeah, if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you did enjoy it, and hopefully I will see you in the next one. Thanks so much. Bye.